about 19 million people worldwide are severely affected by sepsis or blood poisoning. This life-threatening condition is caused by the human body's immune reaction to an infection, which can lead to organ dysfunction and even death, making it one of the top 10 causes of death. One of the substances that causes sepsis is endotoxin, a very potent toxin that is present in the blood of about 50% of septic patients. But state-of-the-art methods using rigid blood purification filters to remove the toxins from the blood have not shown satisfactory results. At V Zurich, the researchers behind Hemotune want to solve this problem with a radically new approach. Their idea is to purify the patient's blood using magnetic forces.
We wanted to increase the options for the medical personnel in the acute care units to increase survival rates of patients.
In a revolutionary medical add-on device for existing dialysis machines, tiny non-toxic nanomagnets, which are chemically equipped with binding agents for specific disease-causing substances, capture the endotoxin. The magnets are removed along with the toxins by a highly efficient separator before the blood flows back into the patient's body. This technology can be extended not only to treat sepsis, but to remove a broad range of other harmful compounds such as toxins, pathogenic organisms, and overdose drugs.
The VIS not only supports us with funding, but we also have access to specialists that can really help us with very specific problems, and therefore we can speed up our development.
The Hemotune team is now focusing on developing this medical device and preparing for the first in-man clinical trial.